everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, this week I actually have the same format shown twice in two different scales for you. So I love this. So this piece I've actually been hanging on to for a little while. This is was printed by my friends at Glenmore in Vancouver. This was for client 33 Acres Brewing Company, also of Vancouver. And this is kind of a little zine format that I loved. And I've been kind of waiting for the right time to show it. And then I got something in the mail that was the same format, much larger in scale. And so I decided to show them together because I think the feel is entirely different. And I love the range of such a kind of simple, clean format. So this is ultimately kind of a 16-page signature. It's just right angle folds, but as I mentioned, this is a zine format. There's a lot of design and photo credits on this. I'm going to put them in the email and also on YouTube, but it's beautifully done. Just wonderful storytelling. Opens like this. You get a nice 2-page spread here. You get a vertical kind of tabloid 4-page spread here. And then, as I said, these are just right angle folds. And then one more big opening spread like this. And it's just telling stories, showing beautiful photos. This feels like about 80 text. So, you know, just beautiful the way this works. So right angle, 16 pages. As I said, just a zine format. Love this. So then I got this in the mail from Nordstrom. And by the way, this is 17 by 22. So then I got this one in the mail from Nordstrom. This was a mail format, obviously a flat, mailed in the US. So then this one, same format, opens up like this. Promoting a sale here. Opens up like this. There's your 4-page tabloid spread. And then a huge opening spread. This is just about 22 by 30-ish when it's open. So you can see just huge, totally different, totally done for mail versus this wonderful kind of storytelling experience, but both really impactful and well done. This one also feels like about an 80 text. So I just love the completely different feel, the different scale. I hope it's inspiring. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. 16-page signature fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, downloads, and print. Remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.